Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a scatter chart on your Microsoft Excel, on your web, on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and we just quickly move on to the video.
So to insert the scatter chart on your Microsoft Excel web, so first of all you just need to select the data or just click on the insert option first. Then just select the data, you just need to create a chart. So click on the scatter option. So here you will see a three different options: as scatter with only marker, scatter with the lines, and scatter with smooth lines, scatter with line and marker, like this. Guys, total of 5 different types. So just click on this and you can just see how it's look like. And you can just extend this option, just needed, you can just extend it and click on the same insert option and just can change the things like this. And you can just change the theme if you just need it like this or like this. You can just change it actually. And also if you just want to customize it wholly, so you just need to click on the axis option on the top and it just curved line, and also the format option. So you can just double tap here to edit the text if you just need it, and the format option brings here to change the font size and also the bold italic, and the color fill also can be changed by tapping on the line, and you can see the outline option. You can just customize into green, and here I just going to customize this blue line into purple like this. And this is how you just change, and you can just enable data labels for these lines, and I just need to have a data label for this line also. You can just enable more data if you just need it. This is how you just create a scatter line chart on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.